Download the installer from the official website. Select your operating system. Click on the download button to download a trial version. Once the installer is downloaded, open the installer. Select a preferred language. Read the agreement carefully and accept the agreement to continue. If you want to create a shortcut on the desktop, fill the checkbox. We have successfully installed the software. Now we will convert a dummy MSG file with the software. To use the software as a trial version, click on Continue as Trial. You can import multiple MSG files, or a folder having MSG files. To select the files, click on the Browse button. Here you can see a preview of the imported files. After that, click on the Browse button to select a location for the output file. Finally, click on Convert Now button to start the process. The process has completed. Here you can see that MSG files are successfully converted into EML file. You can use these files in any suitable platform or software. Purchase the full version from the official website to convert without limits. Thanks for watching.